Introducing the Voot VIV 75 EX-Z22, designed specifically for hazardous and sensitive industrial environments. The 75 stands for the 75-liter tank capacity, while the EX and Z22 indicate the machine is explosive-proof and flame-proof. This is a critical feature for industries where safety cannot be compromised.
This machine is specifically designed for safe operation in flammable environments. The VIV 75 EX-Z comes equipped with a complete range of anti-static industrial-grade accessories. From floor cleaning tools to precision nozzles, every component is designed to safely handle dust, metals, and hazardous particles in high-risk environments. Built to perform across all terrains, this machine handles every type of metal with ease. With heavy-duty suction power, it's trusted in food-grade industries where safety isn't optional. And equipped with a high-grade motor, dedicated exhaust, and rapid suction capability, it manages large volumes effortlessly without the risk of overheating, burning, or failure. The built-in handle makes filter cleaning quick and effortless, so maintenance takes just seconds.
Voot, precision engineering for the toughest environment, because safety is non-negotiable.